Hi guys, thank you for joining our podcast tonight. We will be talking about diabetes type 2 diabetes. To be specific, our goal is to educate people, specifically Pacific Islanders, that diabetes can be beaten by simply making some lifestyle changes. I want to reach out to the Pacific Islanders. Being a Pacific Islander myself, I see that we become used to seeing our loved ones go through the symptoms of diabetes. Some of us can recognize the symptoms so easily because it was become common to see loved ones experience these symptoms like blurry vision, constant drinking water, the kind of thirst that can seem to be sequenced. Some of us see our loved ones always feeling tired and always using the restroom, or for some of us, we ourselves can be experiencing some of these symptoms too. It is common. We shouldn't limit ourselves and shadow things that it runs in our blood. Though it is common to see loved ones experience these symptoms, don't mean that it ends there. We can make changes in our life that won't lead us to the grave fast like some of our loved ones. Simply change our diet, including exercising in our daily schedule, can improve lives.